Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today is Walmart Summer Box Day. So every time I post a Walmart beauty box video, I get comments that people are just not aware that Walmart has a beauty subscription. They do. This is $8.97 a month, and it did used to start off $5, then it was $6.97, now it's $8.97. But with the most recent price increase, they promised more products, better products, more value for your dollar. So did we get more value? This is now our third opening of the higher price box. I think they must have started with the winter box and then spring, and then now we have summer. So I get two boxes. One is in my sister's name, one is in my name. So hopefully we have two variations in here. They used to show on the outside of the box what the variation was. Now it's on the card on the inside. So we'll start with one and see if we got two different variations. There are different ones that you will get. And I would just Google Walmart Beauty Box to subscribe. There's no preferences, there's no choice options, you just sign up. And then every season, it is spring, summer, winter, and fall, you will get, well, spring, summer, fall, and winter, you will get a beauty box shipped to your house. So this one is an orange one, Summertime Beauty Edit. This one is, I believe, this is version 4. So this one is version 4. So we'll see if we got two different versions. Generally, I do. I did one season get two of the same box, and then I signed up for a third subscription and got a different one. So I technically have a third one still coming. And if it's a different one, maybe we'll do another video. But I'm going to start pulling stuff out. Now this, I hope, is just a freebie. A foil packet, single use. This is an emergency spot patch, so this is like a blemish patch. This is from Curology. So I think this is, how many? This has 20 patches. So this might have some value. I truly don't know, and it's not actually on my information list. So I'll see if I can find some information, but we got a little, I think I'm just gonna call it an extra thing. Next, we did get a sample of Clairol. This is Pro Primer, and this is a pre-color treatment. So this is how it's sold. This is a full size. If you go to Sally's or your beauty store, you'll get a pre-color treatment. Usually comes in a single foil pouch. This is $4.47. So I color my hair, so this is something I could try. This gets your hair prepped for treatment, or for color. So that is a $4.47 full-size item from Clairol, which is nice. The next item is not full-size, but it is seasonal. This is an SPF from La Roche-Posay. I will say I'm going to thinking that Walmart has partnered with La Roche-Posay because they're getting a lot of their items in here. So the full size of this would be 6.7 ounces for $32.97. We got I think this has half an ounce. We got a much smaller little travel sample size of these. This is a 50 SPF, so it's a good one to try. This is one you can throw on, and if you are out in the sun unexpectedly, you can keep this in your purse or your bag and put it on as you need it. So we got a little sample, so not everything in here is full size by any stretch. We did, however, get a 3-pack of chapstick, and this is $3.88, and this is the I Love Summer Collection Lip Balm Variety Pack. And I would think with summer it might have some SPF in it, but it does not. And I honestly don't use actual chapstick. I use other kinds of lip balm. So I'll probably just give that one away to somebody, but we have that. The next thing in here, we have a trial size of Palmer's Tahitian Vanilla Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. So this one, oh, I'm sorry. I just realized on this paper it does have the Curology. A 20-piece pouch is $9.92. So I don't know if they're calling it 40 sleeves for $10 or 40 patches, which this has 20 patches, so maybe it's 2 sleeves and we got a half size. I honestly can't tell from looking at the item. But we got 20 patches, and this says 40 pieces is $9.92. So if that's a half of a $9.92, that's not too bad. But back to our Palmer's, and this would be 10.6 ounces for full size, would be $5.97 each. So single use, I hate single use shampoos, but there you go, we got it. I do like Palmer's and I do like vanilla, so it would be a nice one. We can maybe try it. Next thing we got is a mini lip liner. And the full size would be $7.98. This is a Maybelline Lifter Liner, lip liner with hyaluronic acid. I really, just based on the picture, I'm going to not call this one full size because the picture looks like a much longer stick than this. So this one I think is a mini, but the full size would just be $7.98 if they included it, which they did not. But a lip liner is a nice item. Then we have a giant thing of magnesium bath flakes. This is a full size, and this is $2.96 value. And I love bath salts. So this is a soaking solution of jojoba. It's for calm, promotes muscle relaxation and skin hydration. And this has 100% natural magnesium chloride. And this is from Village Naturals. So that is definitely something I will use. So in this box, and that's all that's in here, we got a $4.47 color primer, full size. We got a $2.96 bath salts, full size. We got a $3.88. We got a $3.88 chapstick, full size. So of our full size items, we got 4, 8, 10, a little over $10 of value here for our $9 box. And then we get little bitty samples. So this box was almost retail. I don't appreciate that in a subscription box. Oh, I'm sorry, in our little mini lip liner. I don't appreciate getting nearly the retail value for products I don't get to pick out and I may not use that I'm paying for. So I don't love this box. Again, like I said, one of my full-size items I won't even use. I will just give it away. I don't have any use for it at all. The other ones I will use, but I don't use blemish patches, but they can go in a freebie box with stuff for somebody. But don't love it. I don't love it. Maybe the next box is better. So I'm going to set this version 4 over here, and we're going to see what's in the second box. All right, let's see if we got a duplicate. It does not look exactly the same, I think. Is it? Oh no. They're both version 4 and they're identical. So we got all the same stuff. Twice. Yeah, so this, I don't like that. I don't like the value for this box. This is not a win in my opinion. Walmart beauty boxes have historically been hit or miss. And I've been getting these boxes pretty much since they were released. And that was 10-something years ago when they were $5 a box. So in that time, I've had dozens and dozens of boxes come through my door. Some of them have been amazing. Some of them have been really sucky. In my opinion, these boxes are sucky. So even if I wanted to use everything in these boxes, like I said, the full-size items only cost a few dollars more than the whole box cost. So there's really no value, really, in these. So summer Walmart box, hopefully it'll do better for winter or for fall. We'll find out. If I do get my third box and it's better than this, you'll get another video. But other than that, you can subscribe for this season. If you love this stuff and you want it, you can still subscribe. If you want to wait until next season and see what's coming out then, you can always subscribe each season and see what you like. So let me know in the comments. Am I wrong? Am I being too judgy? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are of this Walmart box. If you would subscribe based on what we got here, or if you would hold off and wait. If you feel like or you have other opinions, I would love to know. Leave me your thoughts. I hope you guys did like this video and find it helpful. If you did, I'd love to hit subscribe if you haven't yet already, and let your family and friends know about the channel if you think they might enjoy it. But most importantly for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.